All right, now we're doing 7Q, find the stray number. This is by Janitor Muir, and 90% of the people like it. So we're given an odd length array of integers in which all of them are the same except for one single number. All right, so we're going to complete the method which accepts such an array and returns that single different number. The input array will always be valid. Odd length will always be greater than or equal to 3. All right. So this one's going to be 2, and this one's going to be 3. All right. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to sort this thing. We're going to sort it, and if this number is equal to this number, we're going to say this number. And if this number and this number are not equal, we're going to say this number, assuming, we already sorted these. So let's get on that. So we're going to come over here and we're going to just put this in concise syntax. We're going to say const stray equals numbers. And after this numbers, we're going to actually, first off, let's just put the arrow right here. And then after this numbers, we're going to put a comma. And then we're going to say, we're going to declare a variable called sort. And we're going to make that equal numbers dot sort. If you don't know about the sort method sorts the elements of an array in place and returns the reference to the same array now sorted, all right? And the default sort order is ascending, built upon converting the elements into strings, then comparing their sequences to UTF-16 code unit values. So basically, it's just going to put them in order. And since there's only going to be two different numbers no matter what, we just do it like this. So after this, we can just come down here and we can use the ternary operator instead of like an if statement. If you don't know about the ternary or conditional operator, it's the only JavaScript operator that takes 3 operands, a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy, followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. And like it says here, the operator is frequently used as an alternative for if-else statements. All right. So down here, we'll just say if sort at 0 equals sort at 1. Excuse me. Yeah, if that's the case, we'll say return sort at sort.length minus 1. Else sort at else sort at 0. All right, let's test it out. All right, there we go. And attempt it and submit it. All right. And right here, they're using the, the for in statement to just do a for loop. And then they're using the index of to see if they're equaling each other. And then, going through to see if they equal each other. Anyway, whatever. You can check that out if you feel like it. And then here's the reduce method. And they're using bitwise operator. I forgot what this does, but it's somewhere in like a Stack Exchange. I've done a video or two on this. I forgot what it is though. It's so exotic. And here's the way we did it. But if we would have just done it in normal syntax, you can check out the rest if you feel like it. Let's go over to mine. Just me on this one. Best practice in my opinion. Very much like it. And we'll see you next time.